Hey everyone, welcome back to ML Works. In this video, we'll continue with our series on UI framework and we'll be specifically talking about Streamlit. So as part of our series, we are building AI applications. So today we'll build YouTube script generator using open source tools like Streamlit, LangChain and Ollama while leveraging powerful LLMs like Gwen, Llama 3.2 and Gemma 3. So when it comes to the UI aspect, so this is the UI that we'll be building where we have a sidebar and we have multiple options to select the LLM. And then we have our main section where we take in the input for our video topic. And then we have the tone section where we select the tone for our content that is getting generated, whether it is educational tone or storytelling tone or it is conversational tone. Then we have our duration settings where we have a slider which moves from 1 minute to 15 minutes. So this will help you to generate the script according to the number of minutes that your content has to be played. So once you select all these three options, then you can click generate to generate the script for your specific topic. So you will be generating the title of the video, then what is the hook for the video, and then the script for the video. So with that, now let us move on to the project structure where we have our folder YouTube script generator, inside which we have our app.py, which is our Streamlit code. Then comes our requirements.txt, which is used for managing the dependency. Then comes our readme file. Then comes LLM folder where we have our Ollama client, which will manage the LLM. Then comes prompts where we have our different types of prompts, one for script, the other for title and hook. Now using these prompts, we'll be using generator.py to generate the script, generate the title and generate the hook. So after that, we can go ahead and set up the environment using VNV, which is our virtual environment we'll create. And then we can switch to that virtual environment using the source command and activate the virtual environment. Once the environment is up and running, then you can go ahead and install your packages inside that environment using requirements.txt. And then we'll go ahead and install Ollama using this curl command. And since we are going to work with different models, we can pull all those models using the Ollama pull command. So we'll be pulling Llama 3.2, Gemma 3 and Gwen model. So now let us move on to understanding the Ollama list, which is that Ollama list. Once you pass that command, you will get all the models that are present in your Ollama hub inside your local directory. And these are the different models that I have. Like for embedding model, I have Nomic embed text. There is Granite 3.1. Then we have DeepSeek R1. Then Llama 3.2, Gwen, Gemma 3. So all these three models are present. So which will make use of them for our YouTube script generation. Now let us move on to the script in VS Code. So first let us go to requirements.txt. So these are the different packages. So I'll be updating this requirements.txt with the corresponding version. So these are the packages that you have to install, which is Streamlit for UI, LangChain for managing your LLM prompt and generating the response, and then we have Ollama for managing the LLM. Then comes our next script, which is prompts, which contains all the different prompts for hook, script and title. So let me close this here. So inside this prompts.py, we import prompt template, which will help you to create the prompt. So it will take in, for script prompt, we take three input variables: topic, tone and duration. And the template is, so you are a professional YouTube content creator, so create a YouTube video script with topic, which will be sending as part of our Streamlit UI. The tone is also set by us in the UI, and then duration is also set by us in the UI. Then we have our structure, which is the strong hook. First, then introduction, then comes main content, summary and call to action for the user who is watching the video. And we've also saying the LLM that the script should be engaging, conversational and easy to understand. Then comes our prompt template where we have our input variable, which is topic, and then template contains Generate 5 click-worthy YouTube titles for the topic, followed by the topic name that will be sending from the UI, and keep them short, curiosity-driven, and SEO-friendly. So this is the prompt for title generation for your video. Then comes hook prompt, where we will be again setting the input variable, which is the topic. So topic is a common input variable because based on the topic only we'll be generating the title, the hook, and then also script. So here the template contains write 3 powerful YouTube hooks for the topic, which is given by the Streamlit UI, and then each hook should grab attention in under 10 seconds. So these are the different prompts that we'll be using for generating our script. So now let us move on to our LLM section, where we'll be creating our Ollama client. So this is where you import Ollama from LangChain community, and then this is not required, so I'll take it off. And here we define a function which is getLLM, and it takes the 2 parameters, model name which is Llama 3.2 and then temperature 0.7. So what it means is, with the help of this temperature parameter, we can adjust the LLM's way of generating the output, whether it has to be more creative or it has to be more deterministic. So based on this parameter, we can control that aspect. So here at the end of the day, what we do is we create a client Ollama which takes in the model name and the temperature. Now let us move on to next script, which is under tools we have generator.py. Now first thing what we do here is we first import all the necessary packages, which is LLM chain from a LangChain classic. Then comes our getLLM function from Ollama client. Then comes all the different prompts that we have defined in the prompts.py file. Now inside this we create 3 functions which will be generating the script, which will generate title and also hook. So this specific function, which is generate script, it takes the topic, it takes the parameter tone, then duration, and followed by a keyword parameter which is model name, which is Llama 3.2 by default. So here what we do is then we call the function getLLM and pass the model name, and based on that model name we'll create a Ollama client. So once we create our Ollama client, we send that LLM to LLM chain, which is taking in LLM, which is your Ollama client, followed by the prompt. Now then we create our chain object. So chain object will have something called as .run, which will take in the topic, tone and duration. So this is where we are setting our or updating our prompt. So what will happen is, so the prompt that we are giving here, and here we are sending these variables topic, tone and duration, which we get it from Streamlit UI, and this will be set to the script prompt, and it will create your whole prompt which will be sent to the LLM, and based on these different variables, right, the duration and tone and the topic, it will generate the corresponding script. Now similarly, this is for generate script. Now we have for title and hooks, where we take in topic and model name. We again create a Ollama object, and then we have a chain which will take in the LLM followed by the title prompt. Here we have LLM and hook prompt, and we are updating the temperature parameter here. Unlike here, it is using default value whatever it was, which is, if I go back here, the default value is 0.7. So here when we are calling generate script, we are using the temperature 0.7, and when we are calling this generate titles and hooks, we are updating the temperature parameter as 0.9. At the end, what we do is again we create a chain.run followed by the topic, chain.run followed by the topic. So this will generate the hook and this will generate your title. So this is 3 different functions for generating different sections like title, script and hooks. Now what we'll do is we'll move on to our main script, which is app.py, which is here. I'll close down all these other files. First step is to import all the necessary functions and import the necessary package. So for UI, we'll be importing Streamlit first, then followed by all the 3 functions that we need to call, which is generate script, generate title and generate hooks. And first thing we set is page settings, which is page title and layout, and what is the title of the page. This is the page title, not the title, this is the page section where we set the title, which is YouTube script generator, by which I mean this part, this one. So this is set as part of your tab, this YouTube script generator. This is inside your page, you have this specific section. Now first part is our sidebar. So what we do is with st.sidebar we set header as settings. There we have our select box. So where we can use all the three models, we can select any of these three options, and we keep the select box name as select model. Then this is stored in model choice, and then we have a clear button which will clear the history for whatever we are generating. The LLM response that we get, right, it can be cleared with the help of this button. Now comes our main section where we have our topic, which takes a text input, and we call it video topic. So next is a tone section where we have a select box where we'll be selecting the tone for the LLM, which is educational, conversational, storytelling, or technical. And then we have duration variable, which will take any of the number of minutes from this specific range. Okay. Now once this is done, now we can have our generate button, and inside this button or inside this section, if there is no topic, then we send a warning which is please enter a topic. Otherwise, once you click the button, it will go to, if you click the button and if the topic is present, then it will go to this specific section where it will go and spin a spinner, and it will start showing up generating content, and then it will start with subheader titles, and then it will call a function generate titles where it will be taking the topic which will be getting from here and the model choice which we select from here. So based on this, we'll be calling this function. And similarly, once this section is done, which is the title section is done, then we'll go on to hooks. Then we call generate hooks. Then comes our full script, we call generate script section. And here we'll be sending corresponding set of parameters. Now we are done with this. Now what we'll do is we'll go and run this app.py and see how this works. So I'll just click Ctrl Shift approximate button and then clear this one, switch to Streamlit app followed by YouTube script generator. Here I will type in Streamlit run and app.py. So by default, the Streamlit runs on localhost 8501 and we are seeing it here. And then this is our UI where we can see the section for YouTube topic, which is the video topic. Then we have our select box, I guess, where you can select the tone of your video content that is getting generated. Then we have the duration, which is set as 5 as the default, which we can move it across. Then we have a generate button. And then we can select the model here where we have Llama 3.2, Qwen Gemma 3, and then we have a button for clear history. So once you generate a script, if you want to delete it, you can click this button and it will clear that specific section. So first let us select some topic. So we can type in what is an LLM, and I want to generate the content for 2 minutes, and this is educational. So just click generate and this will generate your script for 2 minutes. So this is the title section where we have 5 click-worthy YouTube title options. So based on the topic, what is an LLM? So it generated unleashing the future, what's behind the AI revolution. Okay, decent maybe. Then the secret to AI chatbots, what's an LLM, exploring the power of art. It's pretty decent, I guess. If you have a better model, then you can get better response also. So this is the hooks for the specific video, and this is the whole script for 2 minutes, what you can talk about in the next 2 minutes for the specific video. Now what I'll do is, for the same topic, I'll just go here, set Gemma 3 as my model. For the same topic, let us generate for 2 minutes. What I've seen is Gemma 3 performs better than the other two models. So let us see. So yeah, it's better actually. If you can see the title itself, you can see LLMs explain ChatGPT and LLMs in 60 seconds. Okay, and then AI is changing everything, decoding LLMs. It is much better than the previous what we got with the help of Llama 3.2. And then to help me refine these further, could you tell me who is your audience? Okay, what's your overall tone of your video? Then comes hooks for the specific video, which is fast-paced and slightly unsettling. Then intriguing question and visuals, bold statements. Okay. Then comes our full script, and we are able to see for each second by second we can get the script and what is the visual that we want to show for that script. So this is much better, I guess. So as a part of improvement, what you can do, right, you can also have image generation, a section here separately, such that you can also generate a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, then you can also have a separate section based on this topic. You can also generate YouTube tags. That is also further improvement that you can go ahead and do it. So with that, I'll be concluding this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.